Today we'll be taking another look at multiplicative comparisons with a focus on models. Hello, fourth graders. Some of you might be wondering why Miss Jewell is dressed from head to toe in blue. So most of y'all don't know this, but my favorite color is blue. Just kidding, actually it's yellow. But for some reason, I just have so many things that are blue, I had to see how many I could put on my body. And then for fun, I dressed up my dog too. Miss Jewell has 6 blue things on her body.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Which is 3 times as much as Axel has on his body. So how many pieces of blue does Axel have? First, I gotta ask myself, who has more? Well, Miss Jewell has 6 pieces of blue on her body, which is 3 times as much as Axel has. So Miss Jewell has more pieces of blue on her body, so I have to ask myself, what times 3 is going to get me 6? I can make 2 groups of 3 to get me 6. 1, 2. Good boy. So again, it's very important also to remember how to model that. A model is not just a picture. I'm not going to just put any picture on there. I need to represent my thinking.
Well, how do I do that?
That's a great question, Axel. Well, let's take a look at how we would do that. Well, first, I'm always going to represent my name and Axel's name with a J and an A. J for Miss Jewell, A for Axel. I'm then going to think of what I already know. I know now that Axel had 2 pieces of blue on him and Miss Jewell had 6 pieces of blue on her. So I'll begin with that smallest increment, knowing that Axel had 2 pieces of blue. It's also important to remember that the number for both Axel and Miss Jewell is going to be the same. We're just looking at the amount of groups that we'll need to represent that number. So what I mean by that, if Axel has 2 pieces of blue, how many groups of 2 does Miss Jewell have? Well, we said 2 times 3 got me 6. So Miss Jewell's going to have those 3 groups of 2. This goes to show me that Miss Jewell has 6 pieces of blue clothing and Axel has 2. So let's look at one more example. Beginning in 3, 2, 1. Miss Jewell loves to make TikTok. But don't try to follow me. The request will be denied. But I'm clearly not very good at them. But Axel, on the other hand, he's great. Check out this one he did.
Do you just look out the window the whole time?
Yeah, I guess. If you do it right, it takes all day.
But what do you actually look at?
That guy and wherever that thing is and the lady.
And that's entertaining?
No, but also yes.
That little pup is so cute. But the bottom line is, I wanted to use this as an opportunity to show you another multiplicative comparison. Miss Jewell has a total of 25 followers. Axel has 4 times as many followers. How many followers does Axel have? So who has more followers, Axel or Miss Jewell?
Clearly, Axel.
Obviously, my husband doesn't agree that I'm the better TikToker. So we know that Axel has more followers. Miss Jewell has 25 and Axel has 4 times as much. So think of the equation that we would use to represent that problem. Miss Jewell has 25 followers. Axel has 4 times as many. How many videos does Axel have? How would I represent that with a model? Axel has 4 times as much as Miss Jewell. Miss Jewell has 25 followers. Axel has 4 times as many. Four groups of 25 sounds like a lot, but what can we think of in real life that makes us think of 25? Oops, I just tripped on something. What was that? A quarter? That's right, quarters are worth 25 cents. So 4 quarters makes how much money? $1, no holla. And $1 is equal to how many cents? Can I get a 100? That's right, Axel has 100 followers. That TikTok world better watch out. And that's all. Thanks again for Math with Miss Jewell. See y'all next time.